was in the spring. Well, it was in the year of 1975. I'm almost positive it was 1975 that Guru Das Prabhu took sannyas, which he maintained then for some time afterward. And it took place at the Stewart Street Temple in Berkeley. And Prabhupada gave a lecture that day that was a very nice lecture, and part of it was, which was amusing to me, is that he spoke just as highly, if not more highly, of Jamuna than he did of Guru Das. And at one point, referring to Jamuna, he said, and his wife, meaning Guru Das's wife, he said, and his wife, she was practically a sannyasini. So after the program was over, and Prabhupada was on his way back to his room, I was walking beside him, and I asked him if I could ask a quick question, and he said yes. And I asked him if it were conceivable, because I kind of had a premonition that it might come up someday. I asked if it was conceivable that someday women in our movement might formally take sannyas. Prabhupada looked at me. He made a very disgusted expression on his face. He went, "Never." And he said it with more vehemence than I just put into it. It was an emphatic answer, and that's exactly what he said. From his point of view, that was not a possible situation. And I only put that here because I thought it has already now come up, and that was his opinion about, for the future, whether that would ever be a possibility. Another night, well, not the same night,